Hello there, and welcome to episode 12 of my Vietnam vlog series. In this episode, I'll be in Ho Chi Minh City, exploring the city by bike, and I'm also staying in a capsule hotel. Oh, that's cool. Cool, thank you. Ah, very nice. I've just semi-checked into my capsule hotel. Got a TV, mirror. You can control the lights here. So it could be all blue. If you want a white light, move it up. Ceiling light. You can control that as well. Air conditioner. Lock the door. Headphones for the TV. Safe. Comes with a toothbrush, some waters. You've got a little table you can take out. I can't take it out with one hand, but that's how you can eat your food if you want. It's a double bed. It's got pillows, blanket, little shelf for my drinks. But I just need to work out how to turn the TV on. Turn the TV on. Quite nice, proper cool. It's got smoke alarms on. Safety first. But how to turn this TV on, and I need the Wi-Fi password as well because I need Wi-Fi. But unless I'm dumb, I really cannot figure out which button is the TV. Headphones, USB, ceiling light, sleep mode, air outlet. That clock is wrong. Lock, headphone jack. What's this do? Okay, that's a screw. Fuse. The hell is the TV, man? Is there a remote or something? I can't work out how to turn it on. I'm tired as well, man. Oh wait, I see a red light. Is it this? No, it's not that. The flip. It's behind glass, bro. Where's the button? Okay. I'm gonna go to reception because I'm very confused. This hotel is sick. There's a rooftop bar, swimming pool, the pods are nice. I'm actually loving it. But yeah. I was gonna stay here for one night, but I think I might stay here for two because it's proper nice. The view from the roof is really nice. The drinks are a bit expensive, but I guess it's because it looks so pretty up here.
Right here, so you can see we have like a lot of herbs here. High basil.
Yeah.
Right. Coriander.
Yeah.
And another one is Vietnamese mint.
Ah, cool.
Like the mint. So you pick one. And you pick. Hello, cameraman. Yeah, here we have more herbs and sauces. You taste the soup first, the broth.
Oh.
You see, like, it's too sweet. You can see, like, this is the very sweet rice.
It's my fun.
Chopsticks, and then you mix it up. And there are some levels of the spiciness.
Yeah, okay.
Level 1, level 2. And level 3. This one is super spicy.
Okay, I'll do level 1 first.
Okay, yeah. So this one you can actually just put it in here, right? And for me, I like this one.
That looks nice, but the spices here are quite spicy.
This is satay.
Okay, that's not that spicy. I have a bit of this. A tiny bit.
Oh yeah, so good.
But the portion sizes here I find so big.
So big?
Yeah.
Not for Americans.
Oh, okay.
you know what I mean? They have like the pho in like California. It's like
more, less than half. Even the can of Coke is so much. It's like 4 times cheaper here.
I know.
Crazy. Yeah. Oh wow. Crazy.
I know. Not yet, don't take too quickly. Too fast.
How are we gonna get through that?
I know. I'll find a way.
This street was lined with bars and clubs, and at night it gets very, very crowded. So of course I thought, what are we doing down here on a motorbike? I also didn't film that much here because I thought, you know, crowded spaces and a camera is a bit of a dumb idea. That was crazy.
What it is, right?
Yeah, bloody hell. So much going
Bloody
on.
hell.
Yeah, that was proper British.
Bloody hell.
No, this is crazy. This is a ramp for motorbikes to go upstairs. That's crazy.
Look at like the cables. Like
Yeah, this would never work. This is like a health violation. Is this not dangerous?
I know, it's very dangerous. People just, you know,
Oh my gosh. I was whispering here because these are people's homes and people were probably sleeping. Look at the wires. I can touch them. This is so dangerous.
It's so funny when you say I can touch them.
I can, look.
You know, you're not gonna touch them.
I'm not gonna touch it. Get electrocuted. Wow.
Flower market that people they import the flower from, like they were like say big, they were swearing a lot, like
Why?
those guys.
Oh, okay.
Because they are gambling.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, I don't know any Vietnamese swear words.
You shouldn't know. In this case, not helpful. So all of these flowers.
Xin chào. Yeah, it smells fresh. The flower market is open 24 hours a day and supplies flowers across the whole city. Apparently the busiest time to visit is between 2 and 5 AM. I passed by at around 1 AM and there's still quite a few people milling about considering this is a flower market.
See you later.
Oh, okay. I feel like I'm the first black person that these people have seen in their life.
I think I got like a few black people on my tour already. Come on, people are not racist. It's not America.
I swear, yeah. That's what I feel like sometimes. It's when people look, it's like I'm the first one you've ever seen in your whole life.
It's not America.
But it's not bad. It's not like no one says anything bad. They normally just say hello or something.
Yeah, they said hello to you, right?
Oh, okay, yeah. It's not like, I think they're more like curious.
More of curious.
Yeah.
I don't expect you to be here right now. You know, what the hell are you doing here, little girl? Are you just like get out of like you are like Alice from one?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna make it blue. For you, my majesty.
Xin chào.
Like one seat,
Yeah.
they get only one core.
Oh, okay.
And like they dry this core and they use it to make the tea, right? It's bitter. Take it out.
Then I eat this.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not bad.
It's not too bad, but it's really good for your health. People that believe that. Make like the most of it is egg.
It's the time difference as well. I should be a wrap.
They're everywhere. You are much less scared right now, you know, when I cross the bridge.
Yeah. I'm getting used to it.
And used to it. Now you get to trust my driving skill, right?
Yeah.
Oh, there's so many dogs again. There's so many dogs.
Oh my god. People love their dogs here.
Yeah, they love animals here. But sadly enough, some people they eat dogs too, like me. But young people, we don't do that anymore.
It's illegal now to eat dogs.
Saying that oh, you not eat dogs or cats or anything.
Yeah.
So it's up to your morality.
Oh, okay.
You know, like ethical reasons.
Yeah.
Do you care about them? Like then you shouldn't.
In regards to consuming animals that we wouldn't necessarily eat in the Western world, I've heard from a few people in Vietnam that there was a really big famine back in the day, so people had no choice other than to eat such animals. So I guess that kind of puts things into perspective. All in all, this was a great tour, but due to the noise from the motorbike, I couldn't include all the clips. But I definitely recommend exploring the city at night because it's a lot quieter. If you made it this far, thanks for watching, and also thanks for subscribing.